I smell like Vaseline and tequila. Sounds like an album name. Vaseline and tequila. Tequila and Vaseline. Vaseline and tequila. Pass the Vaseline and tequila in the club. I don't know, I can't rap. Okay, thanks, bye. Okay, so before we start, guys, do not try this at home. Don't do it. This is a dangerous act. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheeds, and this video I'm going to be talking about things you are doing wrong in terms of skincare. So how not to do your skincare. Very important that you pay attention. This is like a fun video. Like, I'm exaggerating a whole lot, because no one actually does what I'm about to do, but it's just like a nice lesson, like a refresh of what not to do. Remember, normal disclaimer with these types of videos is offense is not given, offense is taken. So it is just a joke. If it's your first time here, my name is Cheeds, coming to you with all your African skincare and beauty tips. I'm going to be going through a skincare routine, but just like spicing it up and talking about things that we shouldn't be doing, and I might throw in some few tips of what we should actually be doing. Step number one is always, why is it so hot in here? Step number one is cleansing. So with cleansing, what a lot of people end up doing, because they're lazy, and I'm also lazy sometimes, but when it comes to my skin, like, I ain't trying to be lazy. Using your shower gel or like your normal bar soap as your facial cleanser, that is not, come on, man. The problem with that, these products have so many like fragrances, so many other like fillers, and it's just not good for your skin. I mean, your skin is not gonna appreciate it. I was gonna put this stuff on my face, but like, I've risked a lot for this channel, and I don't know if I wanna. My last video with the cheap products, my skin just like backed out for a while, so anyway, so using those products is just not gonna work, because it's really just gonna tear up your skin. You're using a lot more harsher chemicals, ones that are meant for like thicker skin on our bodies, more resilient skin, but our faces are just too sensitive for that. Don't do it. Buy an actual cleanser for your skin. So another thing that you shouldn't do when it comes to cleansing is using like super hot water for your skin. Like, some people want to do their face and like cleanse in the shower just while you're in there doing the most, and now you're here. The water is just too hot in the shower. Most of us like a hot shower. That water is too hot for your face. Don't use that boiling hot water for your face. Like, you're just gonna burn your skin up, tear it up, and I mean, just, I didn't actually burn myself, but it's for demonstration purposes. Last point on cleansing, why are we viciously rubbing our face? Like, I feel like you're exerting more energy with the, I mean, we're not washing a like grill tray from the oven. This is your face. I actually did the most and I'm actually tired. So just be gentle, smooth, slow, circular moves, just like this. Gentle, no reason to be beating your face up. So the next step is usually your toner, whatever you're gonna use as your toner. It's 2019, there's really no reason to be using toners that have alcohol in them. I mean, you might as well just be putting some tequila on your face and thinking that your skin is gonna, that smells like this past weekend, just smells like bad decisions. That took me all the way back to doing the most. I don't know, I wasn't planning on touching my face, and then I did, and then I took it too far. So you'll find that a lot of toners, especially like back in the day, like before my time, so I'm sure before your time, had alcohol in them. If people had oily skin, you felt like it was like taking away the oils, but it's actually just drying you up too much. It's doing a lot. So stay away from alcohol in your skincare. Now I smell of tequila, smell of Cinco de Mayo. Nothing good happens with tequila, to be honest, but that's a topic for another time. So next step is exfoliation. So y'all know I love a chemical exfoliator, but some people love physical exfoliators because you feel like they're doing the things, and some physical exfoliators are actually okay. Just make sure the granules are small, you know, you just want like those fine granules. You don't want like these chunky stones, man. You don't want like chunky stones just all up here, just doing the most, tearing you up from the floor up. Because at that point, you're actually not exfoliating. Now you just fighting with your skin. If you're gonna use a physical exfoliator, make sure the granules are smooth, soft, some that actually like disintegrate. Guys, there's some boulders out there, hey? Canyon Rock, is Canyon Rock a thing? Grand Canyon, that's the word, rocks. Ooh, geography was never my thing. Okay, so now let's talk about face masks. And face masks are cool. Like, I like to use sheet masks, and they just like give that extra hydration because there's serum on the mask. It's just like fun times, living your best life, living your juicy skin life. But a mistake that lots of people make is you leave the mask on for too long. When they tell you 15 to 20 minutes, they mean 15 to 20 minutes. They made the mask. You didn't make the mask. You can't decide that, no, I need a little extra because, you know, because once your mask gets dried out on your skin and you start looking like this, you know, just dried out, cracked up. When your face mask is dry, you are literally starting to do the opposite of what you intended to do with the mask. It's now sucking out the moisture from your skin. So don't do this. Crinkly situations. Leave it on as directed. Even if it's starting to get dry and it's not the time yet, take it off. Just cancel, abort mission. It's really gonna have the adverse effect, and then you wasted your money, you played with your skin's gonna be mad, and then who's mad now? You're gonna be mad. Okay, so you've taken off your mask, now it's time to moisturize. And there's so many moisturizers out there, so many affordable ones, so many expensive ones, so many just doing the most, so many doing the least. Just every skincare line has a moisturizer. That's like a basic. So now it's time to choose your moisturizer. And you know, it's 2019 again. I'll keep saying that because it really is 2019, but we're still doing some things. Some people are still deciding that this is the one, you know? Oh, this brand, next thing I'm just, you know, but anyway, we're here now. Some people are still deciding that this blue top situation is the way to go. And let me just use some for my lips, because I feel like they got cracked up. But the moment you're still here, digging in a tub, getting Vaseline, you know, you have to warm it up, hey? Especially as a baby, because cold Vaseline is not there. And just lathering Vaseline on your face, like in the hot rub. Guys, we're not still putting Vaseline on our faces because it's actually not moisturizing. If anything, it's blocking moisture from coming in, it's blocking moisture from coming out. Nothing is happening. Everything is just stuck. It's clogging up your pores because it's so thick and comedogenic. This is not a thing anymore. I know it feels good and smooth and just, but wait, I think I need to add some more, just, you know, just for that smooth, dewy look. Just butt it up. Dewy. Slipping and sliding. Okay, this is getting messy. This is too much Vaseline. I did too much. Vaseline is really not gonna give you any moisture. It might feel good and smooth and just soft like a baby. It's artificial. Your skin is actually gonna end up more dry and just like acneed up. And last but not least, and you know this is my favorite topic, we always end on it. It's the be all and end all of skincare. We're talking about, drumroll please, can you guess what the last skincare product is? The most important one? I'm sure you got it. SPF, so your sunscreen. Okay, my hands got Vaseline on, so everything is just still sliding. When it comes to this, the biggest mistake people are making is, I'm sure you guessed it, is having sunscreen and just, you know, just deciding that, in fact, you know what? I'm not gonna put it on. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna be inside the house. I don't need sunscreen. I'm a grown person. I don't need to wear sunscreen. I'm a black person. I'm dark skinned. I don't need sunscreen. Melanin will protect me. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Played yourself.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
I played myself with this video because now I've got Vaseline everywhere and it's a vibe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought that would be a cool ending, but does this? I'm done risking my life for this channel. It's getting too dangerous. So I'm gonna go wash this off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Here's some more videos for you guys to watch. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up button. I think I deserve it for everything I've done. Hit the subscribe button. I almost killed myself with this video. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any posts, because why would you want to miss me just choking on some tequila? Anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome time. Cheers, guys. Bye.